Moen kitchen faucet valve replacement. Turn your water off from underneath your sink or at the main, usually located at the street. Remove the faucet handle. This usually requires an Allen wrench. The replacement part we are using is not genuine Moen, but it should do. Do a visual inspection. This one looks pretty close, so we're going to move ahead with the project. Remove the retaining nut. I didn't have the proper wrench, so I used vice grips. Using a gripping tool, remove the old valve. Again, match up the parts visually. Align the lip on your new valve with the groove in the valve housing on your faucet, and gently but firmly press down until seated. Replace the retaining nut and gently snug it down. Reinstall your handle and tighten the set screw, but not too tight. You don't want to strip it. Now turn your water back on and enjoy. No more costly leak.